crochet beginner, I want to share with you where I got my crochet supplies and what I think about these different places. Okay, first thing first, crochet hooks. Before I got into crocheting, my daughter was actually interested in crochet and got some hooks from Michael's. So they will come in a pack of different hooks in the most common sizes. I actually don't like them. First of all, I don't really like the plastic ones. They feel, I don't know, I don't really like the shape of it. I ended up getting some from Temu. So I got this whole pack in all different sizes at Temu. It's only about like $7 or $8. So very inexpensive, and you get all kinds of sizes that you can use on different projects. I also do like these metal ones with a more pointy tips. It feels easier to go in and out of the stitch and easier to use. I also get a pack of these needles where you can thread your yarn tails in. These has a little bit bendy tips, which seems to be great. And I also got these stitch markers that are in different colors. It comes in a pack of 50. It's only like $4, I believe. I also got a set of these stuffed animal eyes. This is like 100 of them. It's like only $4 or $5. It's very inexpensive. I do think that they are not big enough if you are making really big stuffed animals. So this is the biggest one. They come in this tiny container as well.